Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the touchscreen on your Nintendo 3DS XL, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a clean microfiber cloth. You may also want to have a heat gun or hairdryer available to soften the adhesive. Let's get started. First, power off your Nintendo 3DS XL completely. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the corners of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the back cover is off, gently disconnect the battery by pulling the connector straight out. This will ensure that there's no power running through the device while you work on it. If you don't have the tools to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process easier for you. Now, we'll need to access the touchscreen. Use your plastic opening tool to carefully pry apart the front panel from the rest of the device. Work your way around the edges slowly to avoid damaging any clips. Once you've loosened the panel, lift it off gently. You will now see the touchscreen connected to the motherboard. Here, you need to unscrew the small screws holding the touchscreen in place. Make sure to keep track of these screws as they are crucial for reassembly. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the ribbon cable that connects the touchscreen to the motherboard. Use tweezers for precision and be gentle to avoid damaging the connectors. Now, take your new touchscreen and align it with the connectors. Before securing it in place, you may want to clean the area with a microfiber cloth to ensure that no dust interferes with the adhesive. Once everything is clean, connect the ribbon cable back to the motherboard and secure the touchscreen with the screws you previously removed. At this point, it's essential to test the new touchscreen before sealing everything back up. Reconnect the battery temporarily and power on your Nintendo 3DS XL. Check if the touchscreen is responsive. If it works perfectly, you can proceed to reassemble the device. If you find that this process is too complicated or time-consuming, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the care your device needs without any pressure. To reassemble, carefully place the front panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Once it's securely in place, replace the back cover and screw it back on. Finally, power on your Nintendo 3DS XL one last time to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect if you decide to bring your device in for professional help. This way, there are no calls, no travel, and no hassle for you. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the touchscreen on your Nintendo 3DS XL. Enjoy your gaming experience with your newly restored device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.